You know, sometimes things are just out of your control. We were scheduled to be in Prescott Valley this past Wednesday, but due to circumstances beyond our control, we had the repair appointment moved to this next Wednesday. And while they have it apart, we're going to have the bearings repacked and brakes checked at the same time. Now, while they're doing that, I'm going to take the tires and the wheels over to a discount tire and have them balanced. No matter what kind of home you have, there is all kinds of house-specific maintenance. Ours doesn't sit static for long periods of time, nor does it float or fly. But we do have wheels, tires, and suspension that requires a goodly amount of preventative maintenance. Think about it. The last season, we pretty much traveled the USA from south to north and back. Some of those roads were a little on the iffy side. Yeah, it needs to be looked at. One of the neatest things about this life is that you are, or should be, constantly learning. And learning is said to help keep your mind fresh and you young. Maybe that's why I feel like I'm 12.
No, I said you act like you're 12.
The only hiccup with the schedule change is that there aren't any openings in the RV parks up there. Seems everyone is moving up to get away from the heat in the valley. Affinity told us that with the additional items we wanted to have done to the rig, it would require another day to complete. They were very kind to offer to move the RV out front so we could spend the night in our home, and they would pull it back into the bay the next day to finish the maintenance. That is so very nice of them. We're also trying to get some more things taken care of before we get on with Season 4. And one of those things is Griaa's doctor visit. Seems like he has been getting friskier, and it's about time to nip that in the bud, if you get the analogy. And there are a few stubborn baby teeth that need to come out.
We got a dead man walking here.
Our newest child, Griaa, helps to fill the gaps. What a character he is. Our morning walks really do bring a smile to our faces, you know who included. He probably takes 4 steps to my 1, and we have been averaging a mile every morning. I think the little guy could walk me into the ground if given half a chance. And there is always a new smell to check out, or squirrel or bird to bolt after. This world is quite a wonder to him, and he is an amazing travel companion to us. you ought to check out his Instagram page. There is a link below. So this week will be kind of hectic. Up north for repairs and maintenance, mooch docking, lot surfing, boondocking, or whatever you want to call it. Then, if all goes well, back into the valley to prep for our next season. Stick around, it should be a whirlwind of activity. As always, you guys make our lives shine. We sure hope to see you all next week. Invite your friends. We'll be looking for you out on the road. It is past time to get out and enjoy this beautiful country. Just please, travel safe.